Yo ebusu ya mama kwa ba the Fabulous Zone so ene asembe na ho Kumasi Asante Kotoko buafu mo buafu Star Times adan a Kotoko atrakoma Star Times say TV rights sika no mode ma omo nesu a TV rights sika $15,000 no mode ma Kotoko nesu a because after first round no omo twa Kotoko matches say any other club which means omo fa Kotoko brand omo fa Kotoko matches no e dedidi omu ya omo pesika fia bi dia bra Asante Kotoko we dem support Kotoko no the Fabulous Zone they support Kumasi Asante Kotoko management no 100%. Na news way him say a popular sports journalist organize a friend on the Oyerepa station or Oyerepa station Kumasi a friend Jibo no don't have friend striker nin some of the beto Twitter or confirming anyway Jibo dey nin some nyina ya na e ka pepepepepepepe ni din all the word Twitter Eugene Edupoku aka striker or say share of TV rights in Ghana Premier League Kotoko wants more. Asante Kotoko to write to GFA for the renegotiation of the TV rights with Star Times, asking for a greater share since their matches are shown the most, or they won't allow Star Times to telecast their matches in the second round. Wow. Now, as some way they perfect Kotoko deal with your support team, make sure say you bring more of the TV rights no because mun timi make sure your matches in Fanjiska. Now ye bomb match can see streaming cry saying obet me streaming Star Times Kotoko match Star Times Ghana Premier League match I have 5 series per game. Kotoko TV bomb match I want to about 15k online almost share there no obia 5 series and no cry saying it is a cheat way the mo $15,000 per eja bra Asante Kotoko for TV rights dabi we the enye ye for amoso enti asema ya ho no Kotoko want more for the TV rights the Ghana Premier League enti Star Times manya yem pene ma muntwa matches in the second round asema da ho no for Porcupines by Porcupines.